Hello there, welcome to Lesson 7, Thinking Strategies. You can't self-pace without independence. And independence requires knowing what a thinking strategy is. It might be something you're familiar with, the ways to think. What is the see, think, wonder strategy, which is something you can use in a lot of places. So the thinking strategy that we're talking about, these are a procedure for developing thoughts. Remember, procedures being like steps to do something. And it helps you get your thoughts to a higher level, right? To upgrade them, to level up. And some strategies can be done by yourself and some are done with other people. Now, you can use these thinking strategies at any time, right? That's something that's really useful about these, whether you're reading a book on your own, you're doing work by yourself, or in the middle of class. Now, we're going to talk about the see, think, wonder strategy. So after you see a picture, a video, a phenomenon, even potentially reading a short passage, write down what you saw, just the facts. You're not going to add any extra information. You should be like, okay, so I saw a house, it's blue, it's in the middle of a field, just the facts, the things that you know are true. Now, think about what you just saw. Write down what you're thinking, your judgment feels like, oh, this house looks like it's, kind of in the middle of a field. Maybe it's like rural. Maybe they live like in a hill or a mountain or something because of how the back looks. These kinds of things. And then last is wonder. What does it lead you to imagine or be curious about? You're like, it's a pretty small house. Maybe only one or two people live there, right? Oh, there's no fencing. I wonder if they have any animals there, right? These are the wondering step. So we're going to run through an example of this idea. Okay, so here's a picture we're taking a look at. And when we look here, this is what we see. So I wrote out what I wrote for myself. I was going through how I analyzed this picture with the thinking strategy. So I see a beach at night. The waves are glowing blue with bright spots and less bright spots. You can see those little dots inside of it. That's what we see here, right? When we do things, you don't have to be exhaustive. It's not about let's write out 30 things. Write the things that really stand out to you in 2 or 3 sentences. Then think, there must be something in the water that glows, and it must be small because I only see light. I don't see like a creature or something in there. Okay, and then wonder, is it chemicals or is it like a really, really tiny creature? I can't tell because the picture doesn't let me know for sure if there's some chemical or some tiny little thing. Would it glow in daylight? Like if it's the middle of the day, would I see faint blue glowing? Are there other colors that can be seen? If this is a creature or a chemical, is there a different kind of chemical or creature that would glow a different color? Is this toxic? Like, should I not touch this if I saw it at a beach? That's all there is to the see, think, wonder strategy. Okay?